How do you pronounce this name of a Southern African country? Is it Zimbabwe? Is it Zimbabwe? No. Probably this is one of the few countries in the world where even the citizens don't know how to pronounce citizens of Zimbabwe. When I say Zimbabwe, it's not correct. So, what is the correct pronunciation? Right, the correct pronunciation is obtained from those people who have the words that make up this name in their vocabulary. So you can break down this word into two: Zimba and then Bwe. Right. Only the people around Great Zimbabwe has got the name Bwe for stone. Bwe. Right. Not the way I pronounce the word Bwe and the way people pronounce Zimbabwe. There is a difference. Zimbabwe. Bwe is, when I pronounce it, I begin to switch sort of the pronunciation to the way the people around Great Zimbabwe will say it. And interestingly, there are actually many other names, places with the word Bwe in the name. A popular one which many people may know is Mandamabwe. It's a crossing between the road from Gweru to the Bedbed Road and the Bulawayo Masvingo Road. So that intersection, there is a place called Mandamabwe. Right. Also around that same area, we have other places called Ruheruchena. Right. In Chiredzi also, there is, just after crossing the Lundi River, you find a place called Chiuhedziva. Right. There are, of course, many other small places dotted around, not very far from Great Zimbabwe, with the word Bwe in them. So, the correct pronunciation of this word, which is mistaken by almost everybody, including the media in Zimbabwe. Look at the way I now say in Zimbabwe. Right. When I now pronounce the word Zimbabwe, suddenly it changes. It's because that's how we are conditioned by either media and so on to pronounce the word. The correct pronunciation is Zimbabwe. And the only public officials who could pronounce it properly was the late Vice President Simon Muzenda and the late Zobho. They always pronounce properly Zimbabwe. Right. So we are probably the only country where the bulk of the citizens cannot even pronounce the name of their country properly. How is that?